Good evening, everybody. Am I perfectly audible as well as visible once? Please let me know in the live chat section. This is Aniruddha and I welcome you everybody to India's largest live learning platform, the one and only Gradeup. Please once let me know in the live chat section whether I am perfectly audible as well as visible on this very important session of top ESE problems on construction planning and management we are going to discuss today. So quickly hit the like button and share the session with everyone so that everybody can enjoy this session. That's what I want actually, that everybody so that can enjoy this free session. Hello Somajit, good evening. Right, so in today's topic I'll be dealing with mainly top ESE problems on construction planning and management. Hello Siddharth, good evening. Right, in case you haven't followed me yet on the app, just do follow me on the app. And if you haven't joined yet the Vision 2022 batch for GATE and ESE 2022, the new batch has already commenced. So just do join it. 950 plus hours of live classes, 10,000 plus practice questions, 100 plus mock tests, and 120 plus chapter wise study notes I will be offering for you people. We will be offering. Yes. Hello Venkat. Hello. Hi. Just quickly hit the like button and share the session with everybody. And you can definitely stand a chance to win up to 50% in super saving March. What you have to do is just go to the app. The app you can see, it's very simple. Just go to the Gradeup app and you will find at the top, actually just after going to the Gradeup app, you will find at the top up to 50% off. So just tap on it and you will be able to get the scratch card. Okay, here you can see the scratch card is there. So you can just scratch it and win up to 50%. For example, currently I have won 40%. Okay, so in this occasion you can win multiple times, you can play, and that you can win 40% and up to 50% on all the Gradeup Super courses. So if you haven't done yet, just do it right now. So the first question is up on your screen. Let me know in the live chat section so that what is the answer to this question. Functional organization system of working was first introduced by. Let me know in the live chat section. So what is the answer? Starting with very simple question. Which set? Which set means? This is the scratch card actually you can get. I think you're talking about the Gradeup app or something like that. Gradeup Super subscription, you can say 40% or 50% or something like that. Acha, which brand of phone is this? Okay, this is OnePlus beta. Right. So let me know in the live chat section, sir, what is the answer to this question. Yes, I know that most people mistake this particular thing, that functional organization system of working was introduced by Henry Gantt. नहीं है भाई, ये नहीं है. You people actually think that okay, there is a Gantt chart. Gantt chart बोलता है, Gantt chart कोई बोलते हैं. What is the mobile set? It's OnePlus 70 Pro, I think. Yeah. So it's FW Taylor. This is the correct option. I know that you people are thinking that I have read somewhere Gantt chart, so I think this is going to be Gantt from that perspective. No. The functional organization system, first of all, it's introduced by FW Taylor. Hello, Devlina. Next question is up on your screen. Let me know in the live chat section. This is also a pretty basic question based on your common sense. Consider the following activities in a building construction. Let me know in the live chat section. Concreting of roof slabs, brick jelly, lime concrete terracing, erection of formation for slab, construction of parapet wall in terrace. Okay, this is the fourth one. Yeah. So after that, the correct sequence of these activities is, let me know in the live chat section so that what is the correct. Join to revise this topic now. Very good. So quickly, let me know in the live chat section, so what is the answer to this particular question? Which is going to be the first one, first job to be done? So it's absolutely evident. Hello Kavya, good evening. So concreting of roof slabs, brick jelly, lime concrete terracing, erection of form work for slab, construction of parapet wall in terrace. The correct sequence of these activities is, बताइए भाई क्या है? What is the correct sequence of these activities? Let me know in the live chat section that what is the correct option. Yes, of course. First of all, what do you do? Erection of formwork. पहले तो formwork बनाओगे आप, right? After that, what you are going to do? Concreting करोगे. Okay. After that, you will find this brick jelly, right? Lime concrete terracing. And last but not the least, you will do the construction of parapet wall in the terrace, right? So it's option C. देखो फर्स्टली ये तो एकदम जायज है कि आप स्टार्ट करते हो फॉर्म वर्क से, देयर इज नो कंफ्यूजन इन दैट, सो आइदर दिस और दिस, राइट, बी और सी, देयर इज नो कंफ्यूजन दैट ए एंड डी कैन बी वन ऑफ द थिंग। आप बिना फॉर्म वर्क के कैसे रूफ स्लैब बना लोगे भाई, समझ रहे हो? So next question is up on your screen. Acha, I think you can't see the options, so let me know in the live chat section so that what is the correct option over here. So just let me put the options in the correct place. Okay, let me know in the live chat section that what is the correct option over here. So let me know, bhai. Jaldi jaldi batao. Used for recording instructions given by. So this is again there's a common sense question. It's a common sense question, frankly speaking. अच्छा, आपको यहाँ पे बोला है, आप समझो इस चीज को, that one of the principles of this is the particular point I just wanted to say. One of the functions of management and one of the principles of organization. Can't you say? बताओ. Can't you say? Let me know in the live chat section. One of the principles. कौन सा देख के आपको लग रहा है कि प्रिंसिपल है? देखो ए का है 4, राइट, used for recording instructions given by the executive engineer at site order book. Of course, yet whatever the site orders are given, that will be written in site order book. तो इसमें कोई confusion नहीं है, that either A, B or D, anyone can be the options, right? अच्छा, now let's talk about that which one of them is actually correct. Used widely for civil engineering construction, that is line organization. Line organization that is used widely for civil engineering construction, that is the line basically जो हम बनाते हैं, that particular thing, right, that is usually and widely used. After that the principle, आप इनमें से कौन सा चीज देख के आपको प्रिंसिपल जैसे लग रहा है बताओ? Yes, correct. Unity of command and function of management, that is coordinate करना. देखो फंक्शन यूनिटी ऑफ कमांड नहीं तो नहीं हो सकता, राइट? फंक्शन कैसे होता है? फंक्शन मतलब क्या, कुछ जो तुम कर रहे हो, सो दैट इज द कोऑर्डिनेशन, कोऑर्डिनेट करना, राइट? सो ऑप्शन ए, लेट मी नो द ऑप्शन. और फिर कौन सा मीटिंग आ गया भाई? चलो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज आप ऑन योर स्क्रीन. प्रिलिमिनरी प्रोजेक्ट रिपोर्ट, what they are asking actually is preliminary project report for a road project must contain. Let me know in the live chat section so that what is the correct option in this regard. Quickly hit the like button, the new joiners, and we are going to enjoy the session together. Preliminary project report for a road project must contain which out of the following? It's very simple. Just understand and let me know in the live chat section. Soil survey, traffic survey, right? Soil, traffic, road जैसे ही दिख रहा है आपको तो it should be related with traffic, right? Very simple to note these things. So I'm telling you most of the questions from this chapter actually you will find through only simple knowledge of vocabulary. थोड़ा आप समझ लोगे तो आपका हो जाएगा यहाँ से, right? So match list 1 and list 2 again and again they have given you. चलो again and again same type of thing they have given. So let's see that who actually gives the correct answer, right? I'm just making it a little bit shorten ताकि आप देख पाओ इसको, right? अब बता सकते हो आप. Translates policy into a method of achieving the objective set out. Again a vocabulary question, frankly speaking. Consists of defining the responsibilities of employees. ये क्या होना चाहिए आप मुझे बताओ. And transmits all the information to the supervising staff. Transmits all the information to the supervising staff. The organizational setup is aided to operate efficiently with flow of information, decisions and results in all direction. इससे तो बिल्कुल पता चल रहा है सर. Yes, absolutely correct. What's your name? Somajit and Siddharth, both are correct. The organizational setup is aided to operate, okay, efficiently with flow of information, decision. तो मतलब coordinate कर रहे हैं हम सारे चीजों को. So D का है 1, okay, and it's also evident translates policy into a method of achieving. इसको हम बोलते हैं क्या? प्लानिंग करना. Translates policy into a method of achieving. पहले हम पॉलिसी को सोचते हैं, उसके बाद प्लानिंग करते to set the objective, right? And B is consist of defining the responsibilities of employees, organizing, right? Next question is up on your screen. Which one of the following is the correct sequence to analyze a project for implementation? Quickly let me know in the live chat section. What is the answer to this question, right? Which of the following is the correct sequence to analyze a project? So देखो, first of all is that it's evident that WBS जो है वो पीछे नहीं रह सकता है. WBS is the first thing to be done in any project. That is known as the work breakdown structure, which you actually first always recommend that, sir, this should be the map, road map actually. First I should do this, after that I should do this. So first of all do this always. Work breakdown structure कि कौन से काम के बाद कौन से काम होने वाला है. After that you plot the network, that network diagram, CPM part, etc. With that you do. After that you do scheduling with resource allocation. Last is the time cost study. टाइम कॉस्ट स्टडी तुम नेटवर्क बनाने से पहले कैसे कर लोगे सिद्धार्थ, राइट? इवन बिफोर नेटवर्क, हाउ कैन यू डू इट, राइट? सो दिस इज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन सी. Time cost study, time cost study is the last thing always, the crashing part, basically the crashing part that you do. So that is of course you do after the formation of network, then you do the crashing, right? आप network form करने से पहले कैसे crashing कर दो, है ना? Next question is up on your screen. This is the nice question also. A bar chart of 4 activities indicating their schedule start and finish, end of the day, values and the resource requirement per day are given below. What would the maximum and the minimum resource need on any of the days? Let me know in the live chat section, sir, what is the answer to this question. Very simple question, I think. Yeah, the question is it visible to you completely? Yes, it is visible to you. तो बताइए भाई क्या होने वाला है इसका जवाब. A bar chart of 4 activities, total 4 activities are there, you can see. The first activity runs from the 8th day to the 16th day. Second activity starts from 11th day to 27th day. The third activity runs from 19th day, runs for 20th day, and is 20th to 24th day. So tell me that what will be the maximum and minimum resource need of any of the days? ठीक है, कितना resource need होगा in a particular day? That is what they are actually asking, right? So please let me know in the live chat section, sir, that what is the answer to this particular question कि resource जो need होगा वो कितना कितना होगा, बताइए भाई. यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है 8 per day, मतलब 8 units of resource. It can be 8 rupees, 8,000 rupees, 8 lakh rupees, whatever it is 8 per day. Here 6 per day. For this activity which is running from 19th to 20th, 7 per day. For this activity which runs from 20th to 24th, it is 9 per day, right? तो चलिए देखते हैं one by one. Let's start the days from 8th to 11th day. Let's understand from 8th to 11th day what is the total cost that actually is being spent. What is the total cost from 8th to 11th day? What is the total cost? Tell me. 8 पर डे है और कोई एक्टिविटी है क्या? सिर्फ ओनली वन एक्टिविटी इज देयर फ्रॉम 8th डे टू 11th डे. ओनली वन एक्टिविटी इज देयर, पहला ही एक्टिविटी चल रहा है सिर्फ. सो द कॉस्ट इज ओनली ₹8. ओके, 8 पर डे के हिसाब से ओनली 8. अच्छा, नाउ कमिंग टू 11th टू कौन सा दिन है? 16th. फ्रॉम 11th टू 16th डे, सर कैन आई हैव योर मेल आईडी? आई एम फॉलोइंग योर रिकॉर्डेड लेक्चर्स एट ग्रेडअप इंग्लिश बैच. व्हाट्स योर नेम? Sobia, yes, it's aniruddha.roy@Gradeup. Okay, so if anyone can just type it, so please type for me, or just if I type, actually it is going to be, I think, from a different channel. aniruddha.roy@Gradeup.co, ऐसे कुछ था. Yes, so I have already mentioned it, right? So here actually it's coming from 11 to 16 if I am doing. So it is going to be your 14 days, 8 per day and 6 per day, right? So total कितना जा रहा है दोस्त? 8 plus 6, that is your 14 per day. How the calculation needs to be made, you understand? The third thing will be from 16th to 22. Now from 16th to 19. From 16th to 19, let's see कौन सा activity चल रहा है. From 16th to 19, only the second activity is running from 16th to 19, 6 per day. Okay, after that from 19th to 22, from 19 to 22 if I am looking, there are 2 activities again, because from 19th the third activity already started, and the second activity did not stop yet, वो भी चल रहा है, तो 6 plus 7 that is 13 per day. From now after that from 20th the next activity starts. So from 20th, तो yeah I think I should say 19 to 20 क्योंकि 20 से फिर अलग से एक एक्टिविटी चालू हो गया ना. No audio sir. No audio. Audio is coming or not? Audio तो आ रहा है दोस्त. Audio is coming. Yes, I can see. Audio is coming थोड़ा. Audio, is there any problem or not? It's coming, right? Okay, chalo. So from 20 to 22nd day, if I'm talking about, then you can see from 20 to 22nd day, 3 activities are running. One is this one, the second one, the third one, the fourth one. All the activities are running in between 20 and 22nd day. So it's 6 plus 7 plus 9. That is your 6, 13, 22, 22 per day. तो एक ही option में 22 है. You know, so no options are more than that. So there is no way of checking it or not. Or lowest भी देखो, already we have got the lowest is 6 per day. So you got the point that how am I actually calculating? You are taking basically every point, the first point and the last point you are taking and you are calculating in between. Understanding? So if you also want to carry out say from 22 to 24, just for the sake of doing it, otherwise you have already got that 22 and 6, these are the maximum and minimum, but still just for checking, from 22 to 24 2 activities are running. One is 7 per day and one is 9 per day. 7 plus 9, that means 16 per day. Acha, from 24 to 28 last only one activity is going on, only one, that is this activity, that is 7 per day. So you have understood the how the process. 6 nahi 8 hai sir, nahi sir 6 hai. 16 to 19 देखो ना, 16 to 19 कौन सा एक्टिविटी चल रहा है सर? 16 to 19 कौन सा एक्टिविटी चल रहा है? सेकंड एक्टिविटी ओनली इज गोइंग फ्रॉम 16 to 19. चेक करो, फ्रॉम 16 to 19, 19 में ये थर्ड शुरू हो जा रहा है, ठीक है? तो 16 से 19 सिर्फ सेकंड एक्टिविटी चल रहा है, विच इज 6 पर डे. फर्स्ट एक्टिविटी का था 8 पर डे. हाँ, चलो. Next question is up on your screen. Let me know in the live chat section. So that what is the answer to this question? The purpose of work breakdown structure. I've told you it's a very, very important thing. WBS, work breakdown structure. It's a very, very important thing. So what is the purpose of that work breakdown structure that is actually asked in this particular question? Let me know in the live chat section what is the answer to this particular question. Fadafat. Sir, 20 to 24, there are 3 activities. 20 to 24 तो है ही नहीं दोस्त अभिषेक. देर आर देखो 20 से 22 है ना, इधर बैठा हुआ है 22. 20 से 22 जब मैं जा रहा हूं तो देर आर 3 एक्टिविटीज. 22 पे ये एक्टिविटी खत्म हो जा रहा है. जब 22 टू 24 में आ रहा हूं तो देखो ये एक्टिविटी खत्म हो चुका है ना सर? 22 टू 24 सिर्फ ये और ये 7 और 9 वाला एक्टिविटी चल रहा है, लास्ट वाला. समझ रहे हो? चलो, the purpose of work breakdown structure. So please let me know in the live chat section. So what is the purpose of the work breakdown structure? I hope you have got it. What's your name? Abhishek. ठीक है भाई, बताओ. तो वर्क ब्रेकडाउन स्ट्रक्चर का जो ऑब्जेक्टिव है, दैट इज योर्स. समवन इज सेइंग व्हाट? बी. नो. फैसिलिटेट एंड इंप्रूव द डिसीजन मेकिंग ऑन प्रोक्योरमेंट ऑफ रिसोर्सेज. ऑब्वियस बात है, क्योंकि इसके बिना आपका मतलब ये एलोकेशन ही नहीं होगा. दैट व्हिच स्ट्रक्चर नीड्स व्हाट, व्हिच एक्टिविटी नीड्स व्हाट. Relate activities under particular trade specializations to help in organizing for project stuff. बिल्कुल. Coordinate regarding milestone events across trade specialization to improve the synergy. Synergy मतलब होता है that synchronization, basically synergy between the trades. So these all points are correct, right? Next question is up on your screen. Which one of the following statements is or are correct? An activity is in between two node numbers which need not be an increasing number. यहाँ पे पूछा कि out of these 3 statements what are there in the correct? An activity is in between 2 node numbers. आपको पता है what is node? These are nodes, actually events. Normally in activity on arrow diagram, these nodes are events and the arrow is the activity, which need not be in increasing order in the activity progress sequence. ऐसे किसने बताया? They are actually in the increasing order, right? इंक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर में होता है एक्टिविटी. सो दिस इज तो रॉन्ग. नीड नॉट बी बोला है, इट शुड बी। द लेंथ ऑफ द एरो इन अ नेटवर्क हैज सर्टेन सिग्निफिकेंस, रियली नहीं, कोई सिग्निफिकेंस नहीं होता लेंथ ऑफ द एरो का। Concurrent activities are mutually independent and can possibly be taken up simultaneously. Yes, this is correct actually. Concurrent activities मतलब होता है those activities which are running parallelly, and they are originating from the same node and they are also ending into the same node. ठीक है, they are mutually independent and can possibly be taken up simultaneously, मतलब ये एक साथ बिल्कुल बिल्कुल हो सकता है। ओके क्योंकि इन दोनों या फिर तीनों जो भी एक्टिविटीज है, मल्टीपल एक्टिविटीज, दे आर स्टार्टिंग एंड एंडिंग, दे आर नॉट डिपेंडेंट ऑन ईच अदर। समझ में आ रहा है? तो कॉन्करेंट एक्टिविटी मीन्स व्हाट, वेयर दे आर स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम द सेम, ओरिजिनेटिंग फ्रॉम द सेम नोड, और they are terminating into the same node. It's not like that कि सेम और नोड से आके उसी सेम नोड पे आके खत्म हो गया, इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट, तब तो वो बेकार एक्टिविटी हो जाएगा, राइट? सो द एक्टिविटीज दे शुड ओरिजिनेट फ्रॉम द सेम और दे शुड टर्मिनेट इनटू द सेम, देन देयर विल बी नोन एज द म्यूचुअली इंडिपेंडेंट सॉरी कॉन्करेंट एक्टिविटीज। समझ में आ रहा है? नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज आप ऑन योर स्क्रीन ऑप्शंस, अगेन यू ऑलरेडी नो, तो इसलिए मैं अलग से नहीं बोल रहा हूं व्हाट आर द ऑप्शंस। ओके so let me know in the live chat section so that what is the correct option. AON मतलब क्या, activity on node. Networks do not generally have any dummy links. Links express activity dependencies exhaustively and completely. Let me know in the live chat section so that what is the correct option here. Out of A, B, C, D, already options you know. A means वही होता है, that assertion reason both correct and reason is the correct explanation for assertion. B वही होता है, assertion reason both correct and reason is not the correct explanation for assertion. Assertion reason both correct, assertion true, reason false, assertion false, reason true. So you know all these options. So let me know in the live chat section so that what is the option here. AON networks do not generally have any dummy links. बताओ भाई क्या है? Yes, it is correct. एक्टिविटी ऑन नेटवर्क डायग्राम में डमी लिंक नहीं होता है सर, डमी लिंक नॉर्मली होता है एक्टिविटी ऑन एरो डायग्राम में, वार यू पुट इट फॉर एग्जांपल कि या एक और एक्टिविटी पे डिपेंडेंट है ये, एंड यू कैन फॉर्म की एक डमी आपने बना दिया, समथिंग लाइक दैट। तो यहाँ पे एक्टिविटी इज ऑन एरो, तो एक्टिविटी ऑन एरो डायग्राम में नॉर्मली ये होता है। AON networks do not have any generally dummy links. This is correct. Because links express activity dependencies exhaustively and completely. ठीक है, तो ये क्या लग रहा है सर आपको, क्या होगा? बी होगा, राइट? लेट मी नो इन द लाइव चैट सेक्शन, बी होगा कि क्या होगा सर? लिंक्स एक्सप्रेस डिपेंडेंसीज एग्जॉस्टिवली एंड कंप्लीटली। यस, दिस इज आल्सो करेक्ट। सो दिस इज ऑप्शन ए मेरे ख्याल से लग रहा है। AON networks do not generally have dummy links because links express activity dependencies. हाँ बिल्कुल सही तो बोला है, बिल्कुल सही बोला है सर, देखो बिल्कुल सही बोला है, ए ही होगा ऑप्शन। दिस इज नॉट बी, दिस इज नॉट बी सर, इट्स ए बोला है। देखो इन्होंने कि AON networks do not generally have any dummy links because लगाने के लिए बोला था मैंने, when you find both are correct, because links express activity dependencies, वो एक्टिविटी डिपेंडेंसीज को समझाते हैं, ठीक है। और जो लिंक्स यहाँ पे समझाते हैं हम AON पे जो एक्टिविटीज जो लिंक्स हम प्रोवाइड करते हैं, दे ऑलरेडी डिपेंडेंसीज एग्जॉस्टिवली एंड कंप्लीटली वो कर देता है, तो मुझे इसलिए जरूरत नहीं है डमी लिंक का। डमी लिंक का जरूरत मुझे AOA डायग्राम पे है, जहां पे लिंक्स जो होते हैं, जो एक्टिविटीज होते हैं बेसिकली, वो क्या होता है, वो आपको डिपेंडेंसीज पूरी तरीके से अगर नहीं समझा पा रहा है, देन वी टेक हेल्प ऑफ दिस डमी। यहाँ पे जरूरत ही नहीं है, अगर पूरी तरीके से समझा दे रहा है, इफ लिंक्स एक्सप्रेस एक्टिविटी डिपेंडेंसीज एग्जॉस्टिवली एंड कंप्लीटली, देन देयर इज नो नीड ऑफ डमी लिंक्स। यही बात बताना चाह रहे हैं, तो इट्स ऑप्शन ए, राइट। Next question is up on your screen. What they are saying is that in a multi-path PERT network, the project duration resulting from the critical path always has a 50% probability of completion by that duration. Okay, the expected through path duration together with 3 times the standard deviation of that expected duration must be considered for all paths in the network. Let me know in the live chat section. तो part थोड़ा बहुत idea तो आपके होगा that I have told you that for path actually in a multi-path path network, the project duration resulting from the critical path always has a 50% probability of completion by that duration. It's absolutely correct. क्योंकि why? Why? The reason is very simple. For a multi-path path network, okay, the full network, I have told you this particular thing. When you are talking about the full network is following normal distribution. Normal distribution में जो बीच का वैल्यू होता है that is actually the expectation, that is known as expectation or mu you can say, and that is yeah correct, that is the project duration resulting from the critical path always has a 50% probability of completion by that duration. ये बिल्कुल सही जवाब है. This is absolutely correct because this is expectation. Expectation means the mean value, expected value, TE जो हम बोलते हैं, expected value of the full project that has always 50% probability. तभी तो वो बीच में है. This is 0%, this is 100%, 50% जो है बीच में रहता है mean value, normal distribution. So this is correct. The expected through path duration together with 3 times the standard deviation should be the नहीं तो what is the expected path for each of the path? Each of the जो path है उसके लिए expected path हम क्या लेते हैं? Anyone let me know in the live chat section what is the expected path that we actually take for this particular things? For each of the activities क्या लेते हैं सर हम? Each of the activities के लिए हम लेते हैं TP plus TO plus 4TM by 6. TP plus TO plus 4TM by 6. This is, I think you have to study it. This is the expected value of the duration throughout the project. ठीक है. And if you want that what is the duration of the full project, तो ये है हर activity का duration. Just sum all the duration for all the activities, you will get the expected duration of the full project. ठीक है. तो ये आपका ऑप्शन सी है, A is true, R is false. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज आप ऑन योर स्क्रीन. फ्रैंकली स्पीकिंग आपको मैं एक चीज बता रहा हूं, मेनी पीपल नेग्लेक्ट दिस चैप्टर, मेनी पीपल नेग्लेक्ट दिस पर्टिकुलर टॉपिक. आई डोंट नो व्हाई, व्हाट इज द रीजन बिहाइंड इट. यू वोंट बिलीव इसके एक एक चैप्टर से आई कैन शो यू वन चैप्टर ऑफ इट एक्चुअली. फ्रॉम वन चैप्टर ऑफ इट एक्चुअली 4 क्वेश्चंस केम, 4 क्वेश्चन आया था सिर्फ इसके एक चैप्टर से. कैन यू इमेजिन? One chapter only, 4 questions came. Concreting equipments, I think that chapter was. हर चैप्टर से क्वेश्चन आता ही आता है इसमें से, कंस्ट्रक्शन मैनेजमेंट से. सो डोंट नेग्लेक्ट दिस पर्टिकुलर टॉपिक. अगेन एंड अगेन आई एम टेलिंग यू, स्पेशली फॉर ईएसी. गेट में भी मैं बताया था कि 2 मार्क्स क्वेश्चन आएगा, आया भी था. ओके, एंड हियर आल्सो आई एम टेलिंग यू रिपीटेडली दिस पर्टिकुलर थिंग टू ऑल ऑफ यू. So please be careful. Next question is up on your screen. Let me know in the live chat section so that what is the answer to this question. In an activity on arrow network, which of the following rules of network logic are mandatory? Any 2 events can be directly connected by not more than one activity. Event numbers should not be duplicated in a network. Okay, so let me know in the live chat section so that what is the answer to this particular question. So many people are saying mostly C. कुछ लोग बोल रहे D है. Any 2 events can be directly connected by not more than one activity. हाँ बिल्कुल सही. Okay, yes, same paper, that is the main thing also. Same paper is useful for GS also. Your क्या बोलते हैं उसको तुम्हारे project management, right? Just one second. Right, so the next point is event number should not be duplicated in a network. Of course, 2 event numbers should not be same. कि ये हाँ 2 इवेंट नंबर 2 से इवेंट नंबर 2 तक जा रहा है, ऐसे तो that's a misleading thing. Before an activity may begin, all the activities preceding it must be completed. Absolutely correct. Absolutely correct. So this is the correct answer, D. Next question is up on your screen. A dummy job takes 0 time to perform. It is used solely to illustrate precedence relationship. Let me know in the live chat section so that what is the correct option over here. So a dummy job takes 0 time to perform because it is used solely to illustrate precedence relationship. Absolutely. तो ये सिर्फ और सिर्फ ये रिलेशनशिप दिखाने के लिए हम लाते हैं। सॉरी, मुझे फर्स्ट सेंटेंस में कांड दिखाई दिया, समझ रहे हो? बताओ। A, sir, right? Absolutely correct. It's A. So a dummy job takes zero time to perform. It is used because it's used solely to illustrate precedence relationship. Only ये relationship दिखाने के लिए जब होता है, तो how can it take any time, right? Next question is up on your screen. Let me know in the live chat section. It's also a very nice question. I hope you will be able to do. Consider a series of activities A, B, C, D, and E comprising a project wherein A, M, B durations of each activity are indicated. Acha. What is the probability of completing the project in 45 days? The area under the normal probability curve is given. So here the chart is given in between Z and A. I think you can see it. मैं थोड़ा इसको इधर shift कर दे रहा हूँ so that you people can see it properly. क्या हो गया भाई? हाँ, कमाल करते हैं. हाँ. Yeah, I think now you can see it actually. So let me know in the live chat section. This is 0, right? This is 0. So let me know in the live chat section so that what is the answer? What is the, they are asking what is the probability that the project is going to be completed in this following period of time? जो भी है, तो आप उसका जवाब मुझे देना है, उसका जवाब. Very nice question. This is frankly speaking. बहुत ही अच्छा question है. So I think you people all know it that आपको probability मांगा है. This is the probability, the area which is indicating the probability actually, right? तो for that area आपको चाहिए Z, right? The Z is actually given by x minus mu by sigma. I think everybody knows it. X is what, sir? From expected formula. Yes, the understand is that this is X. X is given 45 days. So what is the probability that the project is going to get completed in 45 days? So X is 45. What is mu? आपको पता है क्या? आपको पता करना है. From the expectations, expected time of each of the projects and something like that. वहां से you will get it basically, right? That what is the total expected time and what is the total project time. And what is sigma? Sigma is the total project sigma beta. This is the project sigma, total project ka sigma. So you have to basically calculate the mu and sigma for each one of the activity. Then from there you will be able to calculate the mu and sigma of the project. From there you can calculate Z, and with the help of Z you will calculate the area, which is nothing but the probability. समझ में आया? तो please calculate the activity. Sorry, the क्या बोलते हैं उसको, expected value or the mean value for each of the activities, sum those up to get the full project duration, and also find out the sigma values for all the projects. Let me know in the live chat section one by one quickly. फटाफट करो. So if I talk about mu values, so tell me what is the mu values for the for all the projects actually. So it's art. So this is 688. Okay, so 8 6 14 14 plus 32 by 6, तो it's gonna be 7.67. This is the expectation. यहाँ पे 19 19 और 40 है. 59 by 6 is your 9.83. Frankly speaking, whenever this kind of questions will come now, which are lengthy in ESE prelims, don't attempt it in the first choice. Do all the problems. You think you know that you can do it. ठीक है, आप कर सकते हो, मुझे पता है. But the problem is that don't do it in the first go. मत करना इसको. Understanding? 9.83, 24. They intentionally give this kind of problems just to kill your time. आपको लगेगा रहा है ये तो मुझे आता है, तो let's do it. But कटेगा आपका. सिंपल सी बात है. कितना कितना आ रहा है दोस्त? ये तो आपको दिख रहा है दोस्त कि 24 और 48. 72 बाई 6 12, 9 3 12, ठीक है. 36 48 8, 18 और 32 6 48 3 8.33. फाइन, चलो गुड. तो पूरे प्रोजेक्ट का जो एक्सपेक्टेड ड्यूरेशन हो गया, दैट इज म्यू एक्चुअली फॉर द फुल प्रोजेक्ट इज नथिंग बट द समेशन ऑफ ऑल दिस थिंग्स. सो ये हो गया 16, 16 प्लस 12 28, 28 प्लस 8 36, 36 45.83, राइट. यस एक्चुअली. नाउ टॉकिंग अबाउट द सिग्मा. सिग्मा का वैल्यू क्या होगा? लेट्स टॉक अबाउट दैट. How to find out sigma for the whole project? I have told you sigma for the whole project is nothing but root over of sigma square plus sigma 2 square, something like that, up till sigma n square. This is how the full project sigma is to be found out. So sigma for each project आपको पहले निकाल लेना है from this formula. Sigma for the full project is the pessimistic duration minus optimistic duration by 6. I mean the maximum possible value minus the minimum possible value by 6. I think you people know it, right? So निकालो भाई निकालो. Z निकल गया तो यहाँ से निकालो भाई, देखो क्या आ रहा है. Okay, please do it and let me know in the live chat section so what is the answer you are getting. तो सिग्मा की अगर मैं बात करूँ तो how much you are getting from here? Suppose 8 minus 6 by 6. तो 2 by 6 मतलब है 1 by 3. 11 by 8 3. 3 by 6 मतलब है 1 by 2. हाँ, यहाँ पे 4 by 6 मतलब है 3 by 4, 6 by 6 है 1, ये 4 by 6 मतलब है 2 by 3, यहाँ पे भी है 2 by 3 होगा, सॉरी. These are the mu values respectively. Now just calculate the total project's mu value, that is 1 3 square plus half square plus 2 by 3 square, okay, plus 1 square plus 2 by 3 square. So if you are going to do it, let's find out that what is the value you are getting. So 1 plus, okay, 8 by 9 plus 0.25 plus 1 by 3. So please don't calculate in the calculator. This is my earnest request to all of you. So it's going to be 2.25. हाँ तो exactly 1.5 ही आ रहा है सर, 1.502 नहीं आ रहा है, 1.5 ही आ रहा है, exactly आ रहा है. It's coming exactly 1.5. 1 by 9 and 4 by 8 by 9. So it's 1, 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 2.25. 2.25 का root over 1.5. Exactly, it's coming, right? So now you have got your desired values, that is your mu and sigma. So now you are in a position to calculate what is the value of Z. Because you have been given x minus mu by sigma. आपको x बोल दिया गया 45. You have been told what is the mu. Mu is 45.83. You have been given sigma. So it's minus 0.83 by 1.5. Minus 0.83 को आप minus 5 by 6 लिख सकते हो. 1.5 को आप 3 by 2 लिख सकते हो. Just for the sake of convenience. Minus 5 by 9 मतलब है minus 0.55. Now if it is minus 0.55, it's minus value है ना सर. If it is a minus value, look at the figure, कहीं पे भी minus value नहीं दिया हुआ है. Nowhere minus is being given. So that's for this actually you should have the knowledge of the graph. This is a very nice problem, no doubt about that, but I would recommend not to do it in the first go in case of ESE prelims. आप इसको initially skip करो, बाद में time मिले तो आगे करो, right? मिलता है time, क्योंकि most of the questions जिसको मानो नहीं आता है तो उसके लिए टाइम ही टाइम है ना. सो बट लेट्स होप फॉर द बेस्ट. minus 0.55 मतलब है कि दिस पर्टिकुलर रीजन दे वांट द प्रोबेबिलिटी अंडर दिस, मतलब एरिया अंडर दैट पर्टिकुलर वैल्यू इज नोन एज द प्रोबेबिलिटी. तो ये माइनस इंफिनिटी से लेके प्लस इंफिनिटी तक जाता है, गॉसियन कर्व, राइट. सो दे वांट दिस एरिया. So boss, if I can calculate what is the area under this particular thing, इस तरफ, तो इस तरफ ये है symmetrical curve है ना, तो if this is minus 0.55, this plus 0.55, तो if you are actually getting that what is the area under 0.55, 1 से अगर मैं उसको माइनस कर दे रहा हूं, the total area under the Gaussian curve is 1, okay, the probability distribution curve it is. So total area under the curve is 1, total probability is 1. I think everybody knows it because here area represents what? Probability. तो उसमें सारे कॉन्सेप्ट भर भर के दे दिया क्वेश्चन पे भाई लोगों ने. So the point is that understand if you are getting, since it is a symmetrical curve, so zero से, this is the zero, the midpoint, this is 0.55, this is minus 0.55, exactly same distance पे है दोनों in the both the sides. So if you are getting this area, that what is the total area under 0.55, अगर ये आपको मिल जाता है तो 1 minus that total area under 0.55 will give you this area. अब ये एरिया जितना है ये एरिया भी तो उतना ही है, सेम ही है ना, सिमेट्रिकल कर्व है ना, द कर्व इज सिमेट्रिकल. ये -0.55 है, दिस +0.55, तो ये एरिया जितना होगा ये एरिया भी उतना ही होगा. Understanding? Let me know in the live chat section. So your job is first of all to calculate. So whenever any negative value comes for z, you have to do or use this particular approach in order to calculate. तो चलिए दोस्त करते. So 0.55, are you getting any particular value? No sir, not directly. 0.4 and 0.6 is given. देखो मतलब कितना टाइम कंज्यूम करने के लिए वो दिया है प्रॉब्लम को, that you know, so that you consume your time over here. 0.726 and it is coming 0.4 से आ रहा है आपका 0.655, तो ऑलमोस्ट 0.73 और 0.66 मान लो. दे आर आस्किंग कि 0.55 होगा तो कितना होगा. जस्ट द इंटरपोलेशन यू डू एंड लेट मी नो इन द लाइव चैट सेक्शन व्हाट इज द आंसर. तो 20 के लिए यहाँ पे 7 हो रहा है, तो एक के लिए 1/3 होगा, और ये हो रहा है आपका कितना, 5 के लिए होगा 5/3, तो दिस इज गोइंग टू बी योर 0.72 के 0.71 के आसपास कुछ आ रहा है, राइट. 0.71 के आसपास कुछ आना चाहिए. वॉट एवर इज द वैल्यू, यू नो, यू विल कैलकुलेट इट योरसेल्फ. आई एम गेटिंग ऑलमोस्ट 0.55 के रिस्पेक्ट में z. The area I am getting is almost 0.71 just from this interpolation I am done. Mental math. मेंस के लिए ठीक है. No, this is an ESE prelims question. This is an ESE prelims question. इसीलिए तो मैं बता रहा हूँ ना, इसीलिए मैं बता रहा हूँ. This is an ESE prelims question. So they are actually giving you this kind of opportunities कि भाई तुम इसको अटेम्प्ट करो, तुम्हारा कटे, यही वो लोग चाहते. This is a prelims question. There are always in every year some kind of questions are like this. ठीक है, तो समझ रहे हो आप. तो area is 0.71, so that means 1 minus the area 0.7. 0.71 is indicating what? Z के corresponding जो area है, that particular area is actually indicating this. If I am saying that, यहाँ पे देखो लिखा हुआ है, for example, when Z is 0.2, it is 0.7579. मतलब क्या है सर? That means sir, इसके नीचे जो टोटल एरिया है, दैट मीन्स फ्रॉम माइनस इंफिनिटी, जहां से कर्व खत्म है, वहां से लेके फ्रॉम दैट पर्टिकुलर वैल्यू 0.55 तक इतना एरिया है 0.71. सो व्हाट इज दिस एरिया सर? दिस इज 1 minus 0.71. यू हैव डन इट टुडे मॉर्निंग. अरे वाह, क्या बात है, सही है, चलो रिवीजन हो गया सही से. सो दिस इज 0.29. अंडरस्टैंडिंग इट. इफ दिस इज 0.29, तो सर ये वाला भी पॉइंट माइनस जो 0.55 है, since this is a symmetrical curve, ये 0 है, ये 0.55 है, ये minus 0.55 है, so this is also going to be 0.29. So this is the correct option. Let me know in the live chat section whether you have understood it, yes or no. सबको समझ में आया, हाँ या ना? Let me know in the live chat section. It's a very nice problem to have to score, but the point is that yes, you have to understand the full concept, right? If you are understanding the full concept, nobody can stop you from doing this. Let me know in the live chat section so that what is the answer to this particular question. तो बताओ भाई कि इसमें क्या होने वाला है. The next question they have just asked you, what is the critical path? ठीक है, तो always in this kind of questions, if they are asking what is the critical path, my suggestion to you would be just ये 4 options को देखो. From these 4 options, try to find out what is the critical path. I mean, how much time is required from these 4 paths. आपको अलग अलग से path नहीं ढूंढना वहां पर, अच्छा 1 2 कौन सा है, चलो just whatever is given in the options, उसी path को देखो ना, कितना टाइम लग रहा है उससे. 1 2 3 6 7 8, 1 2 3 6 7 8, 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 4 7. Revising after so many days. हाँ जी, तो 1 2 3 6 7 8 मतलब है 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 4 7, 7 plus 8 15, 15 plus 10 is 25, right? तो this is your 25. उसके बाद 1 2 4 5 7 8, 1 2 4 5 7 8, 1 plus 3 4, 4 plus 7 11, 11 plus 9 20, 20 plus 10 is 30. चलो, और और कुछ दिख रहा है आपको? द थर्ड इज योर 1 2 3 5 7 8 1 2 3 5, अच्छा इधर आया 7 8 1 2 3 5 7 8 कौन सा है दोस्त? 1 2 3 5, अच्छा 1 + 2 3 3 + 5 8 8 + 9 17 + 10 27। अच्छा सी तो नहीं हो सकता है, बिल्कुल डी भी नहीं हो सकता है, क्योंकि बी बैठा हुआ है 30 लेके, तो कैसे हो सकता है भैया तुम्हारे सी और डी? ठीक है, 1 2 4 5, तो 4 7 11 9 20 10 30। ठीक है, 1 2 4 6 7 8 1 2 4 6 3 4 6 10 18 10 28, राइट। तो ऑफ कोर्स दिस इज द हाईएस्ट critical path is the time wise longest path, everybody knows it is 30 days. ये इसमें कैसे कैलकुलेशन मिस्टेक हो रहा है भैया आप लोगों को? How does the calculation is mistake in this particular portion? You should not do it, right? Consider the following statements. Let me know in the live chat section all these particular things. How can it be D, Kavya? Right. So the total float, independent float, free float, all these things have been discussed very well and repeatedly in the batches. ठीक है, जो लोग मेरे क्लास कर चुके हैं, they definitely know it. I have discussed it so many times in different batches. So you can definitely do it. Consider the following statements. Total float can affect all activities in the chain. Free float can affect only the preceding activities. Independent float affects only the particular concerned activity. Which of these statements are correct? Let me know. So I think everybody remembers what was the total float, free float, and the independent float. If you remember these things, it's done, no problem. वही मैंने एग्जाम्पल भी दिया था, वही मूवी वाला एग्जाम्पल दैट आई हैव गिवन. आर यू गिविंग? मैं क्यों दूं भाई? राइट, लेट मी नो इन द लाइव चैट सेक्शन व्हाट इज द आंसर दिस क्वेश्चन. क्या आरबीएल ग्रुप बी? ओके, सौमजित is saying D. Let me know in the live chat section what is the answer to this question. So somebody is saying D. Yes, it's D. या फिर सही है कि नहीं देखो. Total float can affect all activities in the chain. बिल्कुल सही. Yeah. This is also this thing. This is also this thing, right? So total float means you are taking this activity, this time and this time. मतलब the succeeding, preceding both activities are actually hampered. Free float का मतलब क्या है sir? What do you mean by free float? Anyone? Let me know in the live chat section, sir. And what do you mean by independent float affects only the particular concerned activity? Free float का मतलब it affects only the preceding activities. Absolutely correct. Free float मतलब आप इसका ये वाला चीज ले रहे हो जरूर, and you are taking this one. So free float is active, taking both the things. आपको float का मतलब तो I think पता ही है, right? So if I am talking about the total float, तो it is actually होता है आपका, say this is activity J, this is I. So this is TLJ minus TEI minus TIJ, right? मुझे पता नहीं सब लोगों को क्यों लगता है कि मैं कोई ना कोई एग्जाम दे रहा हूँ. कोई ना कोई लोग आके मुझे पूछते हैं कि सर आप ESE प्रीलिम्स दे रहे हो, सर आप गेट दे रहे हो. बोले हद है भाई, राइट? नहीं सर, एक बंदे ने मुझे मैसेज किया था, वो मुझे एडवाइस दे रहे, ठीक है सर, नहीं मतलब वो मुझसे पूछ रहे, ठीक है कि सर सच सच बताओ. हद है भाई, मैं तुमसे छुपा के क्या करूंगा, बता के क्या करूंगा, क्या क्या मतलब मर्जी क्या है. अरे भाई किसी ने पटाखा फोड़ दिया यहाँ पे. ओके, तो फिर मैं उससे ये बताया, फिर कोई मुझे ऐसे मैसेज करके बोल रहा है कि सर सच सच बताओ कि आप कोई एग्जाम तो नहीं दे रहे हो. फिर मैं उससे बोला कि सुन बेटा, ठीक है ना, हाँ, फिर मैं नहीं, फिर मैं बोला कि सुन बेटा, देख कि जो एग्जाम की तू बात कर रहा है ना, ठीक है, वो मेरे को मेरे डिजायर्ड सैलरी नहीं दे पाएगा, इसलिए उस एग्जाम पे मैं नहीं बैठ रहा हूँ. फिर वो बच्चा बोले ठीक है सर. तो ये है टोटल फ्लोट. उसके बाद आता है क्या सर? फ्री फ्लोट. इफ आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट फ्री फ्लोट व्हिच अफेक्ट्स ओनली दिस पर्टिकुलर थिंग. हाँ सर, शादी है, शादी है, कोई शादी का यहाँ पे लेके जा रहे हैं अब, चलो। So this is particular thing that is TLJ minus TE, so TEJ actually minus TEI minus TIJ. And if I'm talking about independent float is only this two. मतलब क्या independent है it is. So it is actually it's TEJ minus TLI minus TEJ. Right. So this is the actual procedure. So it's 1 2 1 3. Next question is up on your screen. Let me know in the live chat section. The probability of completion of a multi-path project at the expected orient completion. Event completion होगा शायद. Orient completion क्या होता है? I think it's going to be event completion. Expected पता नहीं क्या है. I don't know. Let me just check the original PDF जो मैंने उनको भेजा था. Project completion. Expected project completion था. चलो project था. Let me just correct. Let me know in the live chat section. The probability of completion of a multi-path project at the expected project completion duration is for 50%. The standard deviate for the critical path duration is 0. What about this particular thing, दोस्त? The standard deviation for the critical path duration कितना होता है, by the way? 0 जो होता है स्टैंडर्ड डेविएशन के साथ कोई कनेक्शन नहीं है. क्रिटिकल पाथ के लिए फ्लोट 0 होता है. इफ यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट CPM and if you are talking about that PERT, तो आप बोलोगे स्लैक जो है that is 0. So float बोलो या फिर slack बोलो, जो भी आप बोलो, that is a delay, that is equal to 0. Okay. So this is A is true but R is false. Understanding what I'm trying to say? Let me know in the live chat section. Next question is up on your screen. So quickly let me know in the live chat section so that what is the answer to this question. So here it's being very much easy. क्या हो गया अतुल्य? क्या हो गया अतुल्य? A, B, C, D and E are the 5 activities. सर टेक अ क्विक रिवीजन सीरीज ऑन CPM पार्ट. हाँ जी लूंगा, मैं बिल्कुल लूंगा, लेकिन वो रिवीजन अभी आएगा आपके क्या बोलते हैं उसको, मार्च के टाइम पे आएगा. मार्च फरवरी सॉरी मार्च अप्रैल मई जून, उस टाइम पे जितना एग्जाम के करीब आएगा उस टाइम पे वी विल लॉन्च मोर एंड मोर रिवीजन सीरीज. A, B, C, D and E are the 5 activities along the unique critical path of the A of N होगा ये AOA network of activities. Their characteristics are as under. What is the possible range of project duration? तो आप लोगों को पता है that project duration has a range of mu minus 3 sigma to mu plus 3 sigma. ठीक है, mu minus 3 sigma to mu plus 3 sigma. Where actually this particular thing is going to lie? Let me know in the live chat section. With minting papers in your reach. Yes. दोस्त वो तो अगर वो वाला पाथ मैं इस्तेमाल करूं तब तो कोई जेई बन के भी करोड़पति बन सकता है गुरु. समझ रहे हो? चलो तो फाइन. लेट मी नो इन द लाइव चैट सेक्शन सर व्हाट इज द आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन. A, B, C, D and E are the 5 activities along the. मेरा डिजायर थोड़ा हाई है एक्चुअली. A, B, C, D and E are the 5 activities along the unique critical path. तो आप भाई मुझे बता दो mu minus 3 sigma to mu plus 3 sigma. So what you are having is that on to. बढ़िया है गुरु, बढ़िया है. चलो तो first of all just calculate what is the total project duration, what is the total expected duration of the project and the expected standard deviation of the project. तो आपको मिल जाएगा. What is the mu? Mu is the summation of the expected times. So it's 7 plus 6 plus 11. 13 plus 11, 24, 24 plus 14, 24 plus 13, yes, 13, 11, 24, 24 plus 14 कितना है दोस्त? 43 हो रहा ना? 43, 43 शायद ये हो रहा है. म्यू का एक बार वैल्यू चेक कर लो. यस. एंड व्हेन यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट सिग्मा, ठीक है, तो सिग्मा का क्या होता है दोस्त? पूरा प्रोजेक्ट का 2 स्क्वायर प्लस 2 स्क्वायर प्लस 3 स्क्वायर प्लस 4 स्क्वायर प्लस 1 स्क्वायर. सो यू आर गोइंग टू गेट 8 प्लस 9 17 प्लस 25 26. रूट ओवर ऑफ 26 विच इज ऑलमोस्ट गोइंग टू बी कितना, 8 9 17 16, नहीं नहीं 8 है, फिर कितना है दोस्त, 9 17, 17 और 16, 17 और 16 कितना होता है दोस्त, 33 34 है दोस्त, 34 है, 34 है ये, राइट। 34 मींस हाउ मच बेटा, ऑलमोस्ट इट्स गोइंग टू बी 5.8 के आसपास कुछ भी, यस ऑलमोस्ट गोइंग टू बी 5. 25 से 36 11 दोस्त, हाँ 5.8 ऑलमोस्ट रफली। सो इफ इट इज 5.8 इज 43, तो आप बस चेक ही कर लो क्या है 43, 3 into 5.8, सो इट्स ऑलमोस्ट 43 माइनस 16 17 लगभग है 26 के आसपास कुछ, 25.5 के आसपास कुछ भी एक होगा, 25.6, yes, so this is the correct option. Any one if you calculate, you will be able to do that, the particular. जी बिल्कुल correct, yes, absolutely correct. So yes, instead of 15 I have discussed 18 questions. So I hope you have enjoyed the session, and if you have enjoyed the session, give me a 5-star at the ratings, and do join our Gradeup Super classes. Now actually we are offering you very well discounts. Just wait for the homework question. So with the help of that particular discounts, you can very easily, क्या हो जा रहा है दोस्त, yeah, get to the accolade, because just go to the Gradeup app, scratch the card that you want, and you can win up to a discount of up to 50%. You can win a discount of up to 50%, right? So that is one of the very important things that you should note. This is the homework question that you can actually see. ये आपका होमवर्क क्वेश्चन, जादू ये क्वेश्चन दे दें तो 80, तो क्या बोल रहे हो, ठीक है दोस्त, दिस इज द होमवर्क क्वेश्चन फॉर ऑल ऑफ यू. सो लेट मी नो इन द लाइव चैट्स, इन द कमेंट सेक्शन actually the answer to this homework question along this particular thing to be educated by the top pool of faculties in India in 2021 and 2022. Just do join Gradeup Super, and don't forget this particular thing जो मैं आपको बार बार बता रहा था, that is very interesting. Just go to the Gradeup app, आपको डिस्काउंट्स मिलता रहेगा. Just go to the Gradeup app. Okay, जिस पर्टिकुलर थिंग, आप ग्रेडअप ऐप पे चले जाओ. ग्रेडअप ऐप पे जाने के बाद यू विल फाइंड दैट इट इज शोइंग यू एट द टॉप, एकदम ऊपर आपको दिखाएगा अप टू 50% ऑफ स्क्रैच कार्ड. तो स्क्रैच कार्ड पे क्लिक करो एंड यू विल बी ओपनिंग अ स्क्रैच कार्ड. इस तरीके से एक स्क्रैच कार्ड ओपन हो जाएगा आपके सामने. फिर आप उसको स्क्रैच करके देखो मैंने जीता है क्या, 40% ऑफ. ठीक है, 40% ऑफ यू कैन विन. ठीक है, मैं भी जीता हूं 40% खुद से पढ़ने के लिए. ठीक है, मुझे मेल भी आया है अभी अभी दैट यू हैव वॉन 40% ऑफ. ठीक है, खुद से पढ़ने के लिए. ठीक है दोस्त, सो यू कैन ऑल्सो अवेल दैट पर्टिकुलर डिस्काउंट. तो स्क्रैच करो, मजे लो, एंड यू कैन विन अप टू 40% डिस्काउंट्स एक्चुअली ऑन योर Gradeup सुपर सब्सक्रिप्शन. अप टिल 50% यू कैन. कुछ लोगों को 40 मिला है, कुछ लोगों को 35 मिला है, कुछ लोगों को 50 मिला है, ऐसे हो रहा था, right? So enjoy the class. I hope you have. This is Aniruddha signing off from the largest live learning platform, and don't forget to check out my ये लेक्चर, क्या बोलते हैं उसको, तुम्हारे एप्टीट्यूड लेक्चर ऑन ग्रेडअप सिविल चैंपियन चैनल. आप ग्रेडअप सिविल चैंपियन चैनल पे चले जाओ, वहां पे मेरा जो एप्टीट्यूड का सीरीज है जो मेरा आज खत्म हुआ, वो जरूर उसके 3 लेक्चर है, सिर्फ छोटा लेक्चर है, 3 लेक्चर, जरूर उसके सारे प्रॉब्लम्स को देख लेना एंड खुद कर लेना उसको. ओके, बाय बाय, टेक केयर, थैंक यू एवरीवन. दिस इज अनिरुद्ध साइनिंग ऑफ. Tomorrow, meeting you at 7 p.m. with some new series, with some new type of new questions actually, and also we are starting some very exciting series in the Gradeup app for you people. So stay tuned for that. Atullah, what happened? You didn't tell me. Why did you laugh? इतना अचानक क्या हंसी का क्या हो गया था? चलो मुझे बाद में बता देना. Bye.